I'm filming, right? Okay, good. Hey guys, it's Kira. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what is on my iPhone 11. Before we get started, I just want to say that we're so grateful for all of the new supporters and subscribers. If you are new and this is the first video you're seeing, make sure to go subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you can be the first one who sees every single time that we post. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another one of our videos. Also, in the background, you might have noticed I got LED lights. I'm so excited about them. Just creates a vibe. Now let's get on into it. Here is my phone. It is an iPhone 11. I got it basically in September, right when it came out. I'm pretty sure like I pre-ordered it or something. Before that I had the same phone for 3 years or something, and I had an iPhone 7, so I definitely felt like it was time to upgrade. I drive my phone probably 5 times a day, and that is not an exaggeration. I knew that I had to get a really good case, so I had this Apple case. I have the white silicone iPhone 11 case. It's such good quality. So many people at my school have these. I have this pocket on it. I did a pre-college program at Columbia the summer of 2019. Now let's actually get into what is on my phone. Alright, so this is my background. I really like to be neat, so I just cross out the notifications. My background is just this white sky and then some mountains at the bottom. I feel like it looks really good when there's like a couple notifications on the top and there's just that touch of the mountains at the bottom. This was inspired by the video that I'll link in this description. Okay, so I have my like backing thing, and this is just a picture that I literally found on Google. I searched in like white background phone, white phone background, something like that, and this came up along with the mountain one that was off Google too. This is what I see on the first page. I have camera, photos, mail, Safari, settings, clock, calendar, app store. Those are all default apps that come with the phone. Then I have Aspen, which is my school portal. You can basically see anything on it, like grades, your schedule, your lunch, bank account information, I don't know, literally everything is on Aspen. And then I have Snapchat, which I have a private one. Oh my god, that's like Inception. Okay, I have a private Snapchat because I don't want to like expose myself, whatever. By the way, I do have notifications on Snapchat, but I turn that off because I hate the little red numbers, and there's no way that I can keep it without the red numbers because it's just like a constant influx and I don't know. Influx. Good job. Then I have YouTube, which this is like one of the apps that I do have the notifications on for because I like to see what is there, and of course subscribe to this channel, watch all our videos, like and comment. Then I have YouTube Studio, which is an app for creators, so I'm not going to go into their phone. Messages, the weather channel, which is the weather app that I use. Oh my god, I literally just revealed my time. Okay, now putting that in. Then I have this folder called main, and honestly, like the folders for me are not that representative of what is actually my main. I have Starbucks. When I got my phone in middle school, I used to like to do online orders when I went walking on Main Street with my friends. Then I have Visco. Again, don't really want anyone knowing my Visco, but here are just some pictures. Then I have Instagram, which again, Livy and I have private Instagrams, but we're making one really soon for this channel. Definitely be on the lookout for that because it's gonna be so exciting. Then I have Spotify. Definitely anything by 5 Seconds of Summer. So nostalgic. Happy Beats. That was a whole vibe for a week of this quarantine. And then we have Summer Hits, which is a Spotify one, but literally love those songs. So definitely go listen to those playlists. And then I have Scientific American because I am subscribed. New York Times, also subscribed. Those are just like magazines and newspapers. Then on the second page, I have folders and stuff. First, I have Adulty. I have really weird names for these folders, guys. Please don't judge. Files, Disney World, which is for like the Walt Disney World parks. Then I have Photo Scan, which is like you can scan a document. It's much better than taking a picture. Amazon, obviously. Google Photos, which it's so good. It backs up all your pictures and you never run out of storage because you can just delete them off your phone and then they're there on Google Photos. Then I have Health, which I honestly do not know what this app is or why the phone comes with it or why you can't delete it. Then I have United because we fly United a lot, and when there isn't a TV on the back of the seat, you can watch movies on this app. I have Apple Store. I don't know why. Prime Video, which I literally don't really watch anything on Prime Video, especially since Victorious I used to watch on there, but now it's on Netflix, pretty sure, so don't really use that. Then I have Pages, which is like the Apple writing app thing. I just have a couple documents in my iCloud. Then I have Voice Memos, Wallet, which I don't use, Compass, and then I have Pics, literally worst names ever for these folders. So I have Fonto, which is so good. I use it to edit literally everything. I just be like this, and then I go like that's an example. It's basically a text app just for thumbnails and even for text in my videos. Go check out Olivia's video how we edit on iMovie. Then I have Pic Collage, which I just use for making a collage for my pictures. Boomerang, which obviously everyone knows what Boomerang is. Then I have Clips, Eraser, which is like, it kind of does the same thing as PicsArt, but it's just a little bit different. And then I have Lightroom, which Olivia just did a Lightroom video, so you should go watch that because we do all the same things on that app. I normally just copy her presets because she's like the preset person. Then I have games, and I have a lot of games. I really only keep the games that like either I just got or they defined a time in my life, if that makes any sense. But I have Holio, which I played so much last year. So yeah, so anyway. Then I have Dots, which like define my entire middle school existence because I literally love this game so much. Like, it's so much fun. My phone's connected to my Alexa. You can totally hear it. That's so awkward. It's actually really hard. I'm doing really well. I just try to make squares. And then I have A Maze, which is a super easy game. Don't know why everyone was obsessed with it. It really has like no purpose in my opinion. Slither EO, which I don't even know. And then I have Duolingo, which is not a game, but I still have it in this category. And then I have Stack. Yeah, so everyone knows what this game is. Then I have Flippy Race. Oh my god, this defined you guys really don't want to hear this, but this actually like defined my 9th grade existence. Last year, I was on level 500 and now I'm on level like 641. So everyone was obsessed with it. Then I have Balls. Pretty self-explanatory. Bitmoji. Here's my Bitmoji, guys, in case you were wondering. Then I have Papa's Cupcakeria, which if you guys know this game from Cool Math Games, and I bought this on the bus ride to Canada, which was 9 hours long. It was a school trip in 8th grade and it was the funnest thing ever. Then I have Brain Out, which is so hard. 2048 Balls, which is so much more fun than 2048. Okay, just kidding. That's just not the game. That's not the game that I played like 2 days ago. Alright, I know I sound like a crazy person, but I swear I played that game for like 3 months and that's not the game that I played. Like, I'm so confused. Then I have this game, which literally I hate this game so much. Don't even know why I have it. Nonogram, which again, pretty much defined last year. Woodshop and Easy Game, I literally just downloaded and I'm going to delete them next week. Then I have Google Maps, obviously not gonna go into that. Calculator, Contacts, FaceTime, Notes, Gboard, which I should really delete that. This doesn't even work anymore. Find my iPhone for my family. That my Run, which I use when I go running. Nest, because my house has a Nest thermostat. Gmail, DoorDash, live on DoorDash. WeChat, which is a Chinese like messaging thing, so that's how I talk to my grandparents and my aunts and my family in China. Measure, love that. SongShift, which I use because I recently went from Apple Music to Spotify, but Amazon, Alexa, oh my god, she just turned on. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:04 p.m.
Then I have Sleep Timer, which literally, I don't even think it works. It's supposed to like track your sleep cycles and REM sleep. Calculate, so we go to bed at 12:16 a.m. Headspace, which I don't pay for, so I literally have like one meditation guide. Okay, I have no idea what just started. I'm so sorry if you can hear that. Then I have Google Calendar, which I use for this YouTube channel. Then I have school, so I have Quizlet, which I use for a lot of things, mostly French. And then I have Google Translate, which
not supposed to have for French, but it's not just for French, don't worry.
GroupMe, which is like a group chat thing that a lot of clubs or sports use at my school.
OMG, remember school.
Then I have Remind, which my teachers like text us. I have Docs Drive, word reference, let's show our knowledge of French. Être. Kahoot, I really like having the app because the website always dies when I'm playing in school. Classroom, Go Skywatch, which is actually such a cool app. I bought it in 8th grade. There's Polaris, all this stuff, you know, like
Stupid.
now I can like, you know, Go Skywatch. Then I have IS Tuner, which I sometimes use for my violin when it's like super duper out of tune. I'm so sorry you had to hear that. Slides, which is Google Slides. TA Calculator, this is like a phone version. Sine of 90, which is 1. I have Sports U, which we use for varsity, for my coach to like tell us calendar, reminder things. Google Meet, obviously. And then I have Flipgrid. It's like video responses, kind of. So as you can see, I've gotten some notifications since I was not on my phone. So that is everything on my phone. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. For some reason, people really like these videos, myself included. Don't know why, but we just do. By the way, no, I don't have TikTok or Pinterest or whatever the other apps that a lot of people have. I don't know, it's so bad for a YouTuber, but like, and then TikTok I had for like a month and then it started taking over my life. Like I just wanted to go on TikTok all the time, so I deleted it. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have some super exciting stuff planned, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Again, subscribe, turn on post notifications, like and comment for more content, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
You think you know him, but oh.